Summer's in full swing and I've got 5 deliciously refreshing cocktails that are perfect for those hot summer days. Stay tuned. What's up guys, Sam James, Barprints.co, and in this video I'm going to show you how to make 5 easy summer cocktails that I promise you and your guests are going to absolutely love. Now if you're new to the channel and you're looking for the best in all things bartending and cocktail making, don't forget to hit the subscribe button right down here, and don't forget to click the notification bell to make sure you never miss a new video whenever they come out. Now before we get into the cocktails, there are a couple cocktail syrups that you're going to need that you may or may not have laying around the house. But don't worry about that, I got you covered. You just watch this video right here, right after you're done watching this one. The links are going to be in the description. They're super easy to make, just as easy to make as these cocktails. Let's get into the first one. Now first on our list of easy summer cocktails is our watermelon mint margarita. And for this, all you're going to do is grab your shaker, and you're going to go ahead and add the following. 4 chunks of fresh watermelon, 6 to 8 fresh mint leaves. Lightly muddle these together, juicing the watermelons without shredding the mint. Next, you're going to add 1 ounce of lime juice, 1 ounce of triple sec. In this case, I'm using Cointreau. Then you're going to add your 2 ounces of tequila. Go ahead and shake those over ice, and then double strain that into your glass over ice. Take a fresh sprig of mint to garnish, and you're all set with your watermelon mint margarita. Next up, we have our strawberry basil mojito. And in similar fashion like the first drink, you're going to grab your shaker, and then you're going to add the following. About 3 or 4 strawberries, ripe strawberries. Then you're going to add about 6 to 8 fresh basil leaves. Give those a good muddle. Now you can go to town on this more so than you could with the mint, but really muddle so you can get the juices out of the strawberries and incorporate it. Next, you're going to go ahead and add 1 ounce of lime juice, 1 ounce of simple syrup, and 2 ounces of rum. Put some ice in your shaker, go ahead and give it a nice shake. Then you're going to go ahead and double strain that in your glass over ice. Top it off with about 1 ounce of sparkling water, fill it with some more crushed ice, take a nice sprig of basil, go ahead and garnish your cocktail, and you're all set with your strawberry basil mojito. Now third on our list is my riff on the porn star martini, and I just call it simply a porn star spritz. And this is one that you're going to build in the glass. So all you do is take your highball glass, fill it with some ice, and then you're going to go ahead and add the following. 1/2 ounce of lime juice, 1 ounce of passion fruit syrup, and 1 ounce of vanilla vodka. Give it a nice stir, and then you're going to go ahead and add 2 ounces of Prosecco and 1 ounce of sparkling water. Just drop a nice straw in there for the sip, give it a nice stir, and then voila, you are all done with your porn star spritz. Next up, we have something of a modern classic on our hands with the Enzoni. It's a Campari cocktail, but not to worry, it's actually not a very bitter Campari cocktail. It's actually one of those that I recommend to people along with the Jungle Bird. You can check out this video too if you want to know how to make a Jungle Bird. It's one of those cocktails that I recommend to people to ease them into Campari. Really simple. Here's what you do. You just go ahead and you're going to take 5 grapes. Put those in your shaker and add 3/4 of an ounce of lemon juice. Give that a nice muddle. Next, you're going to add 1/2 ounce of simple syrup, 1 ounce of Campari, and then 1 ounce of gin. Give it a nice shake over ice, fine strain over some ice, and then you're going to go ahead and garnish it with some grapes on a cocktail pick, place it on your glass, and then you're all done with your Enzoni, the perfect summer sip for somebody who has a bit of a bitter palate. If you have guests that like a Negroni, Boulevardier, or even a Jungle Bird for that matter, this is something that they're going to definitely enjoy. And if you haven't tried it yourself, then you might be in for something new that you never knew you liked. Finally, we have our 5th summer cocktail. Rounding out the list is a gin tiki cocktail called the Saturn. Very delicious drink, super easy to make. All you're going to need is your shaker once more, fill it with some ice, and then you're going to go ahead and add, of course, the following. 1/2 ounce of lemon juice, 1/2 ounce orgeat, 1/4 ounce passion fruit syrup, 1/4 ounce falernum, and 1.5 ounces of gin. Give it a nice shake over ice, dirty dump that into your glass. No garnish needed, just go ahead and serve it as is on the rocks, and that is your Saturn. Great summer cocktail, bright, refreshing, very vibrant flavors. You'll absolutely love it. And those are our summer cocktails. I encourage you to try them all. Let me know which ones you like in the comments below. If there's any other cocktails you'd like to see on the channel, I'd be happy to cover them. Just drop those in the comments as well, and I'll try to get to them in the days and weeks ahead. If you're looking for a guided training program to help take your mixology skills to the next level, go ahead and head over to barprints.co and check out our Mixology Mastery program. I put together a guided training system with frameworks that are proven to help you learn the basic and advanced skills of mixology, taking out all the guesswork in the shortest amount of time. If you want to jumpstart your training right now, you could also head down to the link in the description and download our free PDF training guide, the Barprints cheat sheet. If you found this video helpful, and I really hope you have, don't forget to give it a like, share it with your friends, helps the channel out way more than you know. And for more great bartending videos, tutorials, tips, tricks, and all that other fun stuff, you can check out these videos right here. Thanks a lot for joining me, and I'll see you in the next one. Cheers.